say when.
Yeah, go.
Okay, so for the fireplace, we have a shut off inside, so if you're traveling, you can always turn this off. For now, we turn it on. And then as we head back out, on the outside wall here is again a shut off for the barbecue. It's in the off position right now. That would be on. Okay, we'll head outside now to the barbecue, to the fireplace. I need to get in here. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, so fireplace, we have the on and off right here. So we're just going to turn this to the on position. Need to push it in just a little. Okay, to set it, you push it in and prime it, you'll hear the gas. Press and hold the button. Very clicking. It's not lighting. Okay, so what we'll do in that case, we'll turn this off. Okay, so if you have problems with the lighter, which we often do, especially with the wind, we let the air clear. I'm now going to turn this back on. I'm going to push it in, and I'm just going to put the lighter in, and away we go. We're going to hold this in for probably 15 seconds, 20 seconds, just to allow for it to heat up, and then it'll stay on. Okay, so it wasn't ready yet. There we go. Now you have a fireplace going. You can adjust this if you like a little bit to turn it down. We do sometimes when the wind gets up. So.
Beautiful.
Okay. Let's show them one more thing here. More on the back. In the winter, we tend to take everything from the fireplace and take it back inside. Otherwise it rusts, and then you'll be replacing it within 2 years. In the back here, you can unscrew this plate here on the back of the barbecue, bring that off. You disconnect the gas line. I usually put a plastic bag over it with elastics to cover it, put this back on. And then what I do is I take everything that is in the fireplace and move it inside. The fireplace, the rack, and then I take all the little bits, this little stuff here, and I put it in a container for the winter.
We're leaving this box, and this is what we use to put all the sand from out there, and there's an extra rack for the logs. So this is where we store it in the winter.
Looking at the Rainbird watering system right now. This is the unit here. When we open it up, there are instructions on the inside cover. Up above, you'll notice that we have all of the zones 1 through 8 that are labeled. The Rainbird itself, you have the time and date here. And if you take a look at this knob, it's in the auto position right now. And all we do is we go around and change. We look at the current time, or sorry, current day, current time, watering times. Okay, and to adjust any of these, it's just the up and down arrow keys. We then have the days of the week all in purple here, and in blue at the bottom all the zones. So we have up to 13 zones, but we're only using 8 right now. And then there's 3 programs. Right now I'm on program B, and if I go through the days of the week, you'll see it's off on Monday, Tuesday it's on, Thursday it's on, Saturday it's on. Okay, then it'll tell me the zones. So zone 1, 2, and 3. You can see those are 25 minutes. Those are along the front of the property and the side closest to the park. They're all on a drip system, so they take much longer to go through and do their thing. The other zone, zone 4, is the lawn, which is on a different program. Zone 5 is the raised beds in the back. 6 is lawn. 7 is the wall garden, the planting wall, and then 8 is our veggie garden, which we don't have anything in right now. To adjust any of these times, you just go pick the zone. You see the time, 3 minutes, and then on, you add minutes, off, you subtract minutes. Changing to zone A. If I look back at that one, you see Program A, you look, we have zone 6 and zone 4. Those are the lawn. Okay, and the times are a little different. Okay, when you're set with everything, you turn it back to auto, close it up, and away you go.
And we're leaving you all the manuals.